friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make fish curry very differently. This is the fish which I fried. This is the leftover oil. With this oil I am going to make the fish curry. So come on, let us start the recipe. I'll put this leftover oil, the fried fish oil. Once this oil turns hot, then I will put the onions and other things. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the jeera and some bay leaves. Two green chilies. Put in the onions. I will let this onion turn brown. Friends, you can see the onion has gone brown. This is the chopped tomatoes. 4 tomatoes I have taken. This I will put in. This is the masala which I have taken. This has got ginger, garlic, black mustard, yellow mustard and jeera. This I made into a paste. This also I will use. I will let the tomatoes cook. Friends, you can see the tomatoes. It's all cooked up here. You can see. Now I will put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Now I will put in this masala. I will put in the salt. Now let the masala get brown here. Friends, the masala also has gone brown and the oil also is coming up, you can see, while the masala is frying. And the color also is nice. Now I will put in the potatoes. I will fry the potatoes along with the masala a little bit. Friends, I fried up the potatoes along with the masala a little bit. Now I will put some water so the potatoes will cook. The potato is cooked up. It's already cooked up. Now I will put in the fish. Put some dhania patti leaves. Now I will let it bubble a little bit along with the fish and then take it down. Friends, fish curry is ready.